We all crave freedom, freedom from the daily grind, freedom to pursue our passions, freedom to live life on our terms. Passive income is the key. Imagine waking up to money in your account earned while you slept. This isn't a pipe dream. It's the reality passive income offers. It's about generating income without actively trading your time for it. Passive income provides financial security. It creates a safety net, a buffer against economic uncertainty. But more importantly, it allows you to invest in what truly matters, your time, relationships, and dreams. This is the power of passive income. It's about designing a life you don't need a vacation from. Before we continue, please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks. The quest for passive income isn't new. People have explored various avenues, each with its own set of challenges. Real estate is a popular choice. Rental income can be a steady source of passive income, but it requires significant upfront capital and carries property management responsibilities. Dividend-paying stocks offer another avenue. Investing in companies that share profits with shareholders can generate passive income. However, this requires market knowledge, risk tolerance, and constant monitoring. Affiliate marketing is another option. Promoting products and earning commissions can be lucrative, but it demands marketing skills, building an audience, and continuous effort to drive sales. These traditional paths often involve a steep learning curve, significant upfront investment, or continuous effort. They might not be suitable for everyone seeking true passive income. Enter ONPASSIVE, a game changer in the world of passive income. ONPASSIVE leverages the power of artificial intelligence and a unique automated business model to generate passive income for its members. It's not just another online platform, it's a complete ecosystem designed to help you succeed. At the heart of ONPASSIVE is its sophisticated AI technology. This intelligent system automates tasks, manages campaigns, and optimizes your online presence to maximize your earning potential. It does the heavy lifting so you don't have to. ONPASSIVE is built on a foundation of teamwork and community. As a member, you're part of a global network, all working towards collective success. This collaborative approach, combined with AI-driven automation, makes ONPASSIVE truly unique. It breaks down the barriers of traditional passive income models, making it accessible to everyone. Section 4. Advantages of the ONPASSIVE ecosystem. The ONPASSIVE ecosystem offers numerous benefits that set it apart. Firstly, it's completely automated. Once you join and activate your membership, the AI-powered system takes over, working tirelessly to generate passive income for you. This means you can earn without actively managing campaigns or products. Secondly, ONPASSIVE requires minimal investment. Compared to traditional passive income methods that often require substantial upfront capital, ONPASSIVE offers an affordable entry point, making it accessible to a wider audience. Thirdly, it's a risk-free opportunity. ONPASSIVE operates on a subscription-based model, and you can cancel anytime. Your financial security is paramount. Finally, ONPASSIVE provides comprehensive training and support. You're not left to navigate the system alone. From webinars to tutorials and a dedicated support team, ONPASSIVE equips you with the knowledge and tools to succeed. Section 5. Realizing Potential, ONPASSIVE in Action. While specific examples are confidential to protect member privacy, countless individuals have transformed their lives with ONPASSIVE. People from all walks of life, teachers, entrepreneurs, stay-at-home parents, are generating passive income streams through the platform. These individuals are achieving financial freedom, pursuing passions they never thought possible, and spending more quality time with loved ones. They are living proof of ONPASSIVE's power to change lives. Section 6. ONPASSIVE. Charting the future of passive income. ONPASSIVE is not just about generating income. It's about empowering individuals. It's about providing a platform for financial freedom, personal growth, and a better future. In a world where financial security is often elusive, ONPASSIVE offers a beacon of hope. It's a testament to the power of technology, innovation, and a shared vision of a better future. Imagine a world where everyone has the opportunity to achieve financial freedom, pursue their dreams, and live life on their terms. This is the future ONPASSIVE is creating, a future where passive income is not a privilege but a possibility for all. The future of passive income is here, and it's powered by ONPASSIVE. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how to make passive income, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.